Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux sauce step by step. A roux is a fundamental thickening agent in cooking, made from equal parts fat and flour. It forms the base for many delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. Understanding this simple technique will elevate your culinary skills significantly. Let's gather our ingredients and begin this essential cooking journey together. To start, melt your chosen fat, like butter or oil, in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-low heat. Once melted, add an equal amount of all-purpose flour. Whisk these two ingredients constantly to create a smooth paste. Continue cooking for at least 2 minutes. This crucial step cooks out the raw flour taste, ensuring a delicious base for your sauce. Remember, consistent stirring is key to prevent burning. The cooking time determines your roux's color and flavor. A white roux, cooked for 2 to 4 minutes, stays pale and is ideal for light sauces. A blonde roux, cooked for 5 to 10 minutes, turns a light golden color and has a slightly nutty flavor. For a richer, deeper taste, cook a brown roux for 10 to 20 minutes. Remember, the darker the roux, the more flavor it develops, but its thickening power decreases. Once your roux reaches the desired color, it's time to add liquid. To prevent lumps, gradually whisk in cold liquid to your hot roux or hot liquid to a cooled roux. Continue whisking until smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. This versatile base is perfect for creating creamy gravies, bechamel, or rich cheese sauces.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.